Hey everyone, we had a great first day of school. I just want to say thank you to all the parents and family who were so patient figuring out all these bumps in the road. I really appreciate each and every one of you as we try to figure this out. So I did want to walk through probably the biggest thing I think we ran into today, and that's getting on Schoology through Clever. So I want to walk you through this. So when you go to clever.com, you want to, if it asks you for your student login, you want to click on this, and then you want to type in your special number, whatever that number is, at students.myips.org, and then don't forget your birthday, and then click sign in. If it asks you to save, go ahead and click save. I'm not going to do it right now. Now, once you're in, you want to click on Mrs. Bush's page. Once you're in my page, this is how you get to Teams in the morning, right? Now, during Teams, we're going to also go to Schoology. So let's click on Schoology right now because Schoology was probably the hardest thing. Now, it's going to ask you for your username. Now, you want to make sure the correct number is in here. Also, your password. And then click Go to Schoology. If you need help, click on I need help. And I know it doesn't really help because it says raise your hand for help. So you just want to try your number. That's the only way to get in with your password. I'm going to hit Go to Schoology. It's going to open up a separate window. So look, Clever Schoology. I can click through my tabs. Now you want to type in your email again, your same number. This number is a number we got to try to memorize, and it will take time, but we're going to use that number for everything. I'm going to save it. Now, once you're in Schoology, this is what it's going to look like. First of all, you're going to see it says AV. I'm just going to hit got it, okay? You're going to see how there's all these updates that I have ready for us to start doing. But what I want you to do is go to courses. Courses, we always start with courses, and we're going to start with 3rd grade. Click on 3rd grade. Now, once you're on 3rd grade, this is how we're going to go to the different subjects. So if we want to do reading, we're going to click on reading. If we want to do math, so today we did math. When you clicked on math, we were in week 1. I'll wait for mine to load. You click on this little arrow, or you can open up the folder like that. We did Monday. Now today we had an assignment to practice, and it was called Math About Me. When you click on it, it's going to open up like this. There's nothing there. So you want to click on My Document. And you can see how the document, it's going to ask you to connect maybe to your Google. Your Google is your email. It's that special number. And then you're going to click Edit once you're there. So it asks me to connect. You have to connect to your Google. So just to review, Clever never goes away for me. I'm always going to have Clever up because it opens up a new tab. All right, so if I want to go to Edmentum, I'm going to click on Edmentum. And look, it opened up another tab. So tomorrow, if you could help your kiddo get on Clever, we're going to really practice going through these icons right here, this top row. And it's going to take some time. We're going to work together. But I just appreciate how patient and caring and just wonderful you all have been. Every day is going to get better, all right? Every single day. So hopefully you get some sleep tonight, and I'll see you tomorrow morning at 9:15 on Microsoft Teams. Bye, everybody.